Henny, what are you doing? What are you doing? Little girl. Henny. Look at Mama. What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you ready to move and go on a new adventure? Huh? Oh, little girl. Oh, little girl in puppy clothes. Henny. Hello. What you doing? Hi. Hi. Oh, that was a big yawn. I wish you could help me pack. That would be a great help. Oh, what are you doing down there? What are you doing? You gonna help me pack? Huh? Little Henny. Oh dear. So, tell me a story. Or again, tell me a story. You know the one about little puppy who was chasing the squirrel? Tried to climb a tree? I love you. What's today? Saturday. What's the date? April 9th. What's the year? 2011. My goodness, you have a lot of yawns. Aww. You count your blessings? Huh? And count your blessings? Mommy loves you. Say toodaloo. Gosh, I can't even get any white in that brown eye. That's scary. All right. Ciao.